In any plant, production is important. Maintenance is critical. Getting the most data within limited time helps managers to focus better on plant reliability. Paul, the maintenance manager, is always extremely busy. It is his responsibility to ensure that the critical machines are running smoothly at all times. To know each machine status, regular vibration monitoring checks are needed. Fortunately, Paul can ask Jeff, the new team member, to collect the data. This might sound surprising, but here is the reason why he can so easily delegate this important task. VIBSCANNER 2, the latest next-generation high-speed data collector by Proof Technic, is so user-friendly that anyone can collect high-quality and consistent data without training. Using RFID technology, VIBSCANNER 2 identifies the machines to be measured. The graphical representation of the machines shows Jeff exactly where to measure, guiding him visually through the route. In combination with a triaxial sensor, VIBSCANNER 2 takes no time to measure a complete machine train and ensures that all required data is collected. And in the end, the entire route has never been measured so efficiently. Paul is happy seeing Jeff return so early. He knows that VIBSCANNER 2 has captured all the data and that it is fully reliable thanks to Proof Technic. After transferring the data to the OmniTrend Center software, there is enough time for an in-depth analysis of each machine's health. It looks all good. Just a slight imbalance on a fan, most likely caused by dirt on the blades. Jeff will clean the fan during the next scheduled downtime. Stay tuned for more VIBSCANNER 2 highlights coming your way. Key benefits of VIBSCANNER 2. Fast and comprehensive data collection. No training needed. Minimum time at machine. True triaxial data collection. Innovative RPM detection without a tacho. Flexible software-independent data transfer. Robust industrial-proof touch display. Stay tuned.